Welcome, little learners! Today, we're going on a magical adventure to discover the numbers from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Let's go! Hi there, I am Benny. Let's hop into numbers together.
And I'm Tilly. I'll help you count slowly and steadily.
I'm Sammy. Let's zoom through these numbers. Ready, set, go!
Here comes our first number, 1. Look, 1 apple. Yum! Can you say 1 with me?
Next up is 2. Count with me. 1, 2. There are 2 kittens.
Here's 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Look at those bright balloons.
Here comes 4. Quack, quack. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks.
Time for 5. Let's count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Look, it's 6. Let's count the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Here's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 butterflies. So pretty.
Now we have 8. It's 8 spiders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Almost there. It's 9. Let's count the crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And here it is, 10. 10 party hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! It's time to party!
Great job, everyone! You learned the numbers 1 to 10.
Let's count them one more time together.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8.
9, 10.
Thanks for joining us on this number adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun learning.